Reading is one of the strategies to improve your vocabulary and pronunciation in Nigerian Pidgin English. As you listen to the text being read, take note of the underlined words and expressions. They will be pronounced and explained in the glossary at the end of the text. Should you come across any additional words or expression that you don't understand and they are not explained, put them in the comment section for further clarification. Stress. You get one famous expression for English. Stop the world. I want to get off. This expression dey refer to feeling of panic or stress wey dey make person wan stop wetin e dey do. Come try chillax and come become calm again. Stress mean pressure or tension. E be one of the most common cause of many health wahala nowadays. Too much stress fit cause physical, emotional, and mental health kasala. Na plenty physical effect of stress dey. Stress fit affect the heart. E fit increase pulse rate and e fit cause high blood pressure. Stress fit affect the way wey person dey breathe. Stress wicked oo. E fit lead to asthma. E fit affect person belle, come cause make person belle dey pain am. Stress dey also affect our emotions. People wey dey suffer from stress dey always shout, vex anyhow. Stress don mold many people oo. Life no get duplicate. Make we take am jeje. E get chillax, wahala, kasala, fit, belle, vex anyhow, mud, jeje.